What's up, guys? If you're signing up on CSGO.net, make sure to use promo code BINROLL. When you register, you'll get a 20% deposit bonus, giving you extra balance right from the start. It's a simple way to get more value on your first deposit and boost your experience on the site. Just click the link in the comments or description below to get started. Use code BINROLL on CSGO.net. Claim your bonus, and good luck!